Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can do amazing winter recipe with braised beef short ribs, carrots, garlic puree and parsley chips. So take a seat and let's start it. So first, we have to start with the meat, because it takes longer to cook. I'm gonna clean it a little bit, cut out the silver skin and some fat. And then season properly with salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna sear it on vegetable oil very fast. So make sure your pan is hot enough and brown the meat all the way around. Now I'm gonna chop some carrots, onions and celery to big dices and roast everything on the same pan. When I get some color on the vegetable, I put some red wine and leave it to reduce by half. In this time, I put some salt and pepper in. And then bay leaf, thyme and rosemary. And short ribs on the top. Last thing you put in is some stock. Beef stock is the best. I got some homemade chicken stock, so I'm gonna use it. I just bring it to boil, cover it and put inside the oven 170 degrees Celsius until meat is soft. It will take around 3 hours. Now I'm gonna do some fast parsley chips. First, I peel few parsley roots. And then I do long slices with peeler. Last step is to fry them in hot oil around 150 degrees Celsius and simply parsley chips are done. For garlic puree, I'm gonna need peel some garlic and then I put it in the cold water. Then I'm gonna bring it to boil, pass it and put inside the cold water again. This I'm gonna do 5 times. More times you're gonna blanch it, more mild taste garlic get. Before you put garlic inside the machine, just make sure garlic is very soft. If it's not, cook the last round for longer. And now is coming some double cream and salt. And guys, you're always asking me how much cream to put in. You don't need any recipe for this. Just put a little bit on the start and mix it. If you see your puree is too heavy, just put a little bit more until you are happy with your consistency. And my garlic puree is done. For my garnish, I'm gonna make some steamed vegetable. I'm gonna take some carrots and parsley, season it with salt and pepper, mix it with a little bit of vegetable oil, cover with fresh herbs and dried chili, and close it inside a baking paper. And if you're still struggling with your cooking, still don't know how to make nice plate, or you need help to improve your restaurant, I'm doing personal fine dining coaching and consulting. So if you're ready to move your cooking skills to the next level, check out the link in the description down below and book free discovery call with me, and I'm gonna help you to achieve your cooking goals. Now I just put some water in. You can also use some stock or white wine. I'm gonna close it properly and put inside the oven 170 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. But now, let's finish the meat. I'll take out the meat from the liquid and the rest I pass it through the chinois. Then I'm gonna skim some fat from the top, put spoon of mustard in, and I'll reduce it down. Now I got time to finish my vegetable. And if you like today's recipe, guys, give it thumbs up. And if you first time here, click the subscribe button down below. So like this, you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel, I'm gonna teach you every week how to go like a pro. I put some honey, salt and white wine vinegar on the pan and bring it to boil. Then I put my vegetables in. Cut my meat to portion. And this meat just looks and tastes delicious, guys, believe me. And then I put the meat back to the sauce to glaze it and reheat it a little bit. My vegetable is ready as well, so let's finish the dish. Start with super soft, short ribs braised in red wine. Then is coming my steamed vegetables with sweet and sour glaze. Garlic puree. Amazing red wine sauce with mustard. Some parsley root chips. And finish it with parsley leaves. I hope you enjoyed today's winter recipe, guys. If you learned something new, give it thumbs up. And if you wanna see more of my work or get personal cooking coaching from me, check out the links in the description down below. And if you're not subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.